down personal, breathe deeply. Cabin crew, close all doors, please. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. On behalf of the entire crew, I welcome you all on board Indigo Flight 66132 to Varanasi. We'll be ready to push and start in a couple of minutes. I hope you settle down. If not, please do so at the earliest. A total distance of approximately 700 kilometers will be covered in a flight time of 1 hour and 5 minutes. We do have little turbulence after takeoff and Varanasi while descending, so kindly respect the seatbelt signs. Whenever they are switched on, remain seated with your seatbelts on. It's for your own safety. And sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. I'll come back to you once we get in touch with our destination or the latest flight update. Thank you for choosing Indigo. Crew arm on slice, please.
Yes, my flight is going to take off in 25 minutes and I will be reaching Varanasi shortly.